Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sylvette. I'm here with another video for you. This video was actually requested, so I'm very excited to do it because I love fragrance and I've never really hold up. I have talked about my favorite fragrances. Some of these you guys have already seen before, but y'all wanted to know, so I'ma spill the tea. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, the whole thing, and I'm gonna just get straight to it. If you guys like this makeup look, tutorials coming very soon, so stay tuned. So I thought the first one I would talk about would be a classic because, you know, I have a little variety here and I had to narrow it down to 5, which was really difficult, but we did it. I'm gonna pull up the notes of the fragrances so that I can read them to you. That way you kind of know what type of scents, because not all of them I know all the notes. Perfect. So the first one is going to be Coco Noir by Chanel. I wanted this perfume for a really long time and I'm so thankful that I have it. It's just so, okay, first of all, the black packaging is to die, okay? It's gorgeous. And second of all, the smell is just so sexy, so seductive. Little more on the powdery side than I normally like, but I love this fragrance. So let's talk about the notes. I'm gonna read them to you. So for Coco Noir, it has top notes of grapefruit, bergamot, and rose, and jasmine. And then it also has inside patchouli and sandalwood to add warmth. And I think that's why I really like it, because I do tend to really like sandalwood. Not a huge patchouli person, but the combo for this one is amazing. So yeah, check it out. Coco Noir from Chanel. It's good. The next one I'm gonna talk about, I'll do this one. This is one that I literally wanted for like 5 years, and finally I was like, why haven't you bought it yet? It's literally like $100 or $80 or something. It's really cheap because it's an eau de toilette, and that is the D&G Dolce Gabbana No. 3. I wanted this since I was like young because my cousin, she loved this scent and she put me onto this, and after she was wearing it I was like, I want to wear it, and so I finally bought it a couple years ago and I love it. My cousin's actually calling me right now.
Let me call you in like an hour. I'm just filming a YouTube video. I'm sorry.
Anyways, so yeah, number 3. Also, side note, 3 is my favorite number, so had to get it. But this one's just so fruity. Let me read you the notes. Also, you guys, this one's only 82, so that's like hella good. Okay, so it has succulent exotic fruits and bright pink florals give way to a musky, appetite arousing base. So that's what it says for that. It is very fruity and the lasting power is not as good as the other ones I'm showing you, but this scent, like literally nothing smells like it. It kind of reminds me of like Old Escada, but it's bomb. It's bomb. You guys need it. The next 2 are Diptyque. You guys know I freaking love Diptyque ever since I discovered it. So I talked about this in my 10 essentials video. You guys know this is my favorite perfume, so I had to include it. It's just like, ooh, the orange blossom, everything about it is amazing. So the eau de sens is like my favorite, but I had to include eau duelle. Well, let me read you the notes for this one because I don't think I've ever read you guys the notes for Diptyque. So this one has orange blossom, angelica root, patchouli, and juniper berry. So this one has patchouli in it too. Maybe I do like patchouli. I don't know, I love this. It smells like laundry. I freaking love it. And then Eau Duelle is vanilla. So this one has a top note of pink peppercorn. Top note, pink peppercorn, juniper berry, green cardamom, elemi. Middle is frankincense, calamus. I for sure am saying that wrong. Black Ceylon tea, saying that wrong too. Base of bourbon, vanilla, Haitian vetiver, and cypriol. Pretty much pronounced everything wrong. But this vanilla scent, oh, you guys, it's like unlike any other. It's like a spicy vanilla goodness. And I actually honestly sometimes mix the two because every day I wear the Eau de Sens hair perfume and sometimes I'll wear the Eau Duelle with it because it just smells so freaking delicious. But you guys need to check it out. Diptyque, they make bomb fragrances. My boyfriend and I love their fragrances, their candles. Got one burning in the back. Once you try it, you never go back. You literally are like obsessed and want every single scent because they're all so beautiful in their own ways. And the Eau de Toilette start at $98 for a 1.7 ounce or 50 ml. These are 100 mls, so they are $140 for the Eau de Toilette, which is pretty pricey for an Eau de Toilette, but it's worth it. I promise you, it's worth it. We had to save best for last for obvious reasons, but my last favorite scent in the world is the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I love this scent. It smells like so sweet. It's just so delicious and so sexy, and it's like when you spray it on your skin, it's just an experience on a whole other level. It's so bomb. So this one has a few different types of cherries inside. It has bitter almond, we have rose absolute inside, Peru balsam, and roasted tonka. So it's really, really beautiful. Yeah, there's really no way to describe it. This is pricey. So the starting price is $335 for the 50 ml or 1.7 ounce. And then the large one is $450 for 100 ml or 3.4 ounce. And I literally, I try to use this on my good occasions, but you know, some days when we're here, just go into the living room, it's like, you just wanna smell good. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted to make this video. I know it's like a weird time, but it's like, you, no matter what you're doing, if you smell good, you feel better, you feel good. So whether you guys are stuck at home or whether you guys are working, and thank you so much for those of you that are, it just lightens everything up. When you smell good, you feel good. So that's why I wanted to make this video. But yeah, those are my 5 faves ever right here. My 5 favorite fragrances. It's a little quick video. I've been, you know, making a couple little videos here and there just because sometimes I feel like my videos drag out because I just ramble all the time. So I wanted to make some straight to the point videos just to kind of balance it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of inspires you to get a new perfume. Comment down below what your personal favorite perfume is. I would love to get it and try it. And if I have it already, I'd like to wear it. So comment down below, let me know. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We don't have to go over this again. And I think that's really all I have to say. Stay safe, stay sane, stay healthy, and stay inside. Hope you have a good rest of your day or night, whatever, maybe when you're watching this. Love you.